Hi all, welcome to our channel. Any particular Google My Business. The Google My Business, how to post your video. Video, first of all, design will be 5 seconds with less KB, you can follow it. Our image also will be upload it. So that is purpose. I'm selecting some content will be here. So the content will be selected will be here. Selecting Google Map location, add post here. Here I'm uploading for video. People worry about that. So I'm uploading my video, it will be not uploading properly done. Video uploading time, you can follow the less than seconds. If I'm uploading MB size or I'm uploading 10 MB, 20 MB, not like that. What are the particular size? You can mention it and upload by here is the option. And after that, I'm adding for download button, click for post it. And after finishing this one, you have to check it. The post will be suspended or publish it. It will take some time will be here. Once it's done the video, they can show your particular customers. Now, and after publish this video, see here, the video is published here. Right now is a pending option. And same video, you can uploading for direct your photo option will be here. Click for photo. Here is that you can upload by the your video or photo, anything your possible your wish. Some adding will be total two option. I'm uploading will be done on my particular post option will be here. So this will be here is the see photos. Any photo it is not accepted or anything, you can check on your particular things. So that all will be here is the particular option will be here. So right now, any post it will be verify or not. The check will be here is the add update option. So this will be here. Click this and here it is. It will take some time. That will be here. Post your content along with image. That also will be possible. One is will be website link. Second will be is your call now button. So image I'm updating will be here along with the website link. After call this image and click for post it. And after this posting, it is verified or deleted or pending approval, anything, you can check it out. The image, it will verify fastly, but taking video will be long time. So this image will be already verified will be a particular option. So those steps you can follow it, update on Google Maps on your particular page. So here just what are the posts you want? Everything will be posted on it and your particular option will be here. So if any further question, videos, anything upload on your Instagram, Facebook is instant process, but Google Map is a take is a long time. You need much patience required here. So when it is upload, they'll show you upload will be here. Anything wrong in your video, they will be suspend your video will be here. So if any further question about Google Map video uploading, please contact our channel. I definitely will be support you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.